So good afternoon all. Today's class is about the design thinking curriculum. So here we have Manita. She will be explaining about the design thinking. She has prepared her notes and she will be explaining us.
Design thinking. Design thinking is a human-centered approach to innovation and problem solving that focus on understanding the needs and experience of users. It involves a series of iterative steps to generate creating solutions. Here's breakdown of the type stages. Empathize. The first stage involves understanding and empathizing with the users and their needs. It often includes techniques like interviews, observation, and survey to gather insights about the user experience and challenges. Define. In the phase, you synthesize the information gathered during the empathize stage to define the core problem. This is about framing the problem in a way that is user-centered and actionable. A clear problem statement helps in guiding the next steps. Ideate. With a well-defined problem, you brainstorm a range of ideas and solutions. This stage encourages difference thinking, where the quality of ideas over quality. Techniques like sketching, mind mapping, and brainstorming sections are commonly used. Prototype. In this stage, you create tangible representation of your ideas. Prototype can be anything from sketches and paper model to more complex digital and physical representation. The goal is to explore from your ideas, work in practice, and make your concept more concrete. Test. Here, you test your prototype with real user to gather feedback and learn how well your solution addresses the problem. This stage is iterative, meaning you may go back to earlier stage based on feedback to refine and improve the solutions. Implement. Though not always included in every model of design thinking, implementation involves taking the refined solution and bringing to the market of making it operational. This stage focus on scaling and integrating the solution into real-world scenarios. Design thinking is widely used in various fields, including product design, business strategy, and social innovation, because it helps in creating solutions that are only innovative but also deeply aligned with user needs. Design thinking is a methodology. They empathize understanding the user needs and experience to create innovative solutions originating from the field of design. It has evolved into a widely used approach in various industries, including business, healthcare, and education. As in core design thinking is about empathy, creativity, and iterations. The methodology consists of several key stages: empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. Each stage builds on the previous one, creating a cyclical process that encourages continual refinement and improvement. By focusing on the human experience, design thinking seeks to produce solutions that are not only functional but also meaningful and engaging. Empathy. Empathy is the foundation of design thinking. It involves immersing oneself in the user to understand their needs, challenging and emotions. This might involve interviews, observation, and other research methods. The goal is to gain a deep understanding of the user's perspectives, which guides the problem-solving process. Stages of design thinking. Empathize. The empathize stage is crucial for gathering insights into the user lives. This can be done through various methods, including interview, conducting one-on-one conversation with users to explore their experiences and needs. Observation. Watching users interact with the product or service in their natural environment. Survey. Collecting quantitative data to understand broader user trends and preference. The goal is to build empathy and gather qualitative data that provides a foundation from problem definition. Define. Once you have gathered insights, the define stage includes synthesizes this information to clearly articulate the problem. This is often done by creating a problem statement or point of view statement. As well-defined problem statement focus on the user's needs and guides the direction of the design process. It should be specific enough to be actionable but broad enough to allow for creative solutions. Ideate. The ideate stage is where creativity comes into play. The goal is to generate a wide range of ideas and potential solution. Technique used in the phase include brainstorming, encouraging free thinking and generating a large number of ideas. Mind mapping, visual organization ideas to explore connection and new possibilities. Sketching, creative visual representation of ideas to explore different concepts quickly. The emphasis here is one quality and variety of ideas. The more ideas generated, the higher the chance of finding innovative solution. Prototyping and testing. Prototyping involves creating tangible representation of your idea. This can range of low fidelity prototypes such as a paper model of sketches to high fidelity prototypes such as interactive digital models. The purpose of prototyping is to explore how your ideas work in practice and to make them more concrete. Prototype helps in visualizing and testing concepts before investing in full-scale development. Test. The test stage involves gathering feedback on a prototype from real user. This can be an iterative process where you test prototype, gather insights and refine the solution based on user feedback. Testing helps to identify what works well and what needs improvement. It commonly revisits earlier stages